So welcome back, people, to MG Sports TV. Thank you very much. Thank you very much again for tuning in. And I have a huge concern. Might not be concerning to you guys, but World Cup qualifiers coming up, the Gold Cup playoffs, the Gold Cup playoffs coming up. So as I said, it might not be a concern to you guys, but I'm gonna just highlight something so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So we are in some trouble. Now, you might not deem it as serious trouble. That's fine. Nothing is wrong with that. I'm looking from it on a perspective of what can we do? How can we impact this thing? World Cup is coming right around the corner. Um, World Cup qualifier is also around the corner. Now, if you look at the Reggae Boyz front line, at this present moment, we only have two players, two players in the Reggae Boyz front line that you can say trustworthy to guarantee you goals at this moment. I'm not speaking about um former or like past form or what they have been doing back then. I'm speaking about what is happening right now. And from what I'm seeing from all indications, we are in some serious trouble. All right, so hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Thank you very much again for tuning in. First of all, let's start on Leon Bailey. Yes, the performances have improved over the past week or so or 2 weeks. The performances have improved, or still not getting the output as you'd expect from one of our star men, our star baller. At this present moment, we need players who are informed to carry us over the line. Remember, this is the World Cup qualifiers. This is also Gold Cup. Gold Cup is preparation for the World Cup, technically. But if we're going to into these competition and we consistently have players who are not informed specifically or especially in front of goal, we might be in some problems. Leon Bailey so far not having the best season on an output basis where goals or assists is concerned. Not the best season he's having. No, I have to say that the performances might drop a little bit, but it's still good enough to say that we can work with. But the output is a serious problem. Leon Bailey is the first person I can highlight. Second person that I will be highlighting on this matter is Demarai Gray. Now, for those who don't know, yes, Demarai Gray has a very good output record with the Jamaica national team. The problem is, at this moment, he's struggling where goals are concerned at his club. Very much really struggling where those aspects is concerned. And if you even look at the performances as well, the performances are not necessarily of the highest standard. Many persons might agree, many might also disagree. But at this present moment, it's not looking good for the Jamaica Reggae Boyz front line. No, on the other side of that, we have two players I'm going to highlight, which I believe at this present moment are the two players who are more so informed, who are doing well in front of goal. And that is Ronaldo Cephas at Ankara Gucci and Boza in his new club in Ituana. So these are the two players who at this present moment who are really informed, who are really delivering the attacking output which is needed, especially for World Cup or World Cup qualifiers. On the other side of it, we have the two starters who not necessarily delivering output. On the other hand, we have seen where Mikel Antonio came back, clapping with the fans, with the West Ham supporters and stuff. So it's a good sign that he's back, but on the pitch, no one really knows. No one really knows what's really happening with the aspect of him coming back on the pitch. That is an unknown. That in itself is an unknown. So on the other side of that, I am a little bit worried because the two main starters, well, three main starters, one will be possibly out for a long while, maybe longer than we expect, or maybe come back I'm not sure if he might come back anytime soon. And the other two are obviously out of form where output is concerned, but we and these guys are starters. Now on the other hand, we have Nicholas Shaman Nicholson, and we also have Ronaldo Cephas, who I think these are the two players at this present moment who are actually delivering. Now, another aspect could look at is probably Kyle Dixon, who's basically scoring every week, but many persons will say, no, he's young, still have time to develop. So we're going to give that spot to players who are actually performing well also in the attacking lineup. Quite an interesting one, but I do believe that this could be a little bit concerning going to lose competition. I could be overthinking. I could be really, really probably a little too deep into this thing, yeah, but don't know anything go. All right. Tell us what you think in the comment section. Smash the like button, hit subscribe button, and I'll see you guys again. Until next time. I'm a little bit concerned. Is it really something to be worried about? I don't know. Maybe, maybe not, but also maybe. Big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you guys again. Until next time. MG Sports TV. We are out. God bless. Boom.